Welcome, dear children. Today we're going to talk about something very special, the joy of learning. Learning is like going on an exciting treasure hunt where we discover amazing new things every day. When we're curious and ask questions, we unlock wonderful secrets about the world around us. Every new thing we learn makes us wiser and helps our minds grow stronger. There's a beautiful teaching from our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who said that seeking knowledge is something every Muslim must do. This means that being curious and asking questions isn't just fun, it's also very important for all of us. Just like we need food to grow our bodies, we need knowledge to grow our minds and understanding. Let me tell you about a young boy named Ahmed. One day in science class, Ahmed was fascinated by how plants grow from tiny seeds. He raised his hand and asked his teacher lots of questions. How do seeds know which way is up? Why do they need water and sunlight? His teacher smiled, loving Ahmed's curiosity, and showed the class a special experiment. They planted seeds in clear cups so they could watch the roots grow down and the stems reach up. Ahmed was so excited to learn something new about nature. Every day, Ahmed would rush to class to check on his plant. He wrote down everything he observed in his notebook and asked more questions. His curiosity helped him learn not just about plants, but also about being patient and observant. His teacher was very proud of how eager he was to learn, and Ahmed discovered that asking questions led to wonderful discoveries. Remember, dear children, just as our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us, seeking knowledge is very important for every Muslim. Being curious, asking questions, and learning new things helps us understand Allah's beautiful world better. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never stop learning. Every new thing you learn is like a precious gem that makes your mind sparkle and your heart grow wiser.